In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to operate Manx Payroll with Avast antivirus installed on your PC. So I'm going to go to my virtual machine, which I have ready, and I'm going to now install Manx Payroll. The first thing I want to do is to actually disable Avast. So go to the Shields control and disable for 10 minutes. Right, so I can now run the Manx Payroll setup, and Manx Payroll will install and run in the normal way. And there we have it. So now what I'm going to do is to re-enable Avast, and we will find that it'll very quickly find what it thinks to be a virus and stop Manx Payroll from functioning. So if I go to my programs, it's now just crashed out. The reason is that Avast has found the threat, here we are, and stopped Manx Payroll from functioning. If I now go into Avast and into the menu and my statistics, you will see there's one threat in quarantine. I'm going to open that, click on it, just move this out of the way, click on these little dots down here and restore and add an exception. So I can now run Manx Payroll. There we are. And everything is fine. There won't be a problem until the next time there's an update, and this is where where people get concerned, because if I do an update, we'll get another Avast exception to be created. Let's just do that, and then I'll show you what to do to stop this in the future. So I'm going to pause this video and come back to you in a short while. Okay, so now I have installed I've made an update, and we're going to now run Manx Payroll, and it will, with any luck, find the update, and there we go, it's now running the next version. And on the second time I've run it, Avast has come in and found that error yet again, and we've now got the same problem we had on the first install. So I'm going to show you what we need to do to stop this from happening each time there's an update to Manx Payroll. So I'm going to go back into Avast. Go to the menu, go to my statistics, and there's an item in the quarantine. And like we did before, I'm just going to restore and add an exception. So this is what we need to do. I go back to the menu and I look at the settings and I look at exceptions. You'll see there's two exceptions there. These are the two which we've just set up. All we need to do is edit that exception and take out the end of the file folder that it's looking at to enable Avast to operate in the future. So I'm going to click on the little pencil here and go to the end, and you'll see that there's a big long file path here, which is where actually Manx Payroll is operating from. And what I'm going to do is take out this section with all these zeros and zeros and zeros. Where it says VM6, I could delete that and just keep it from apps to, and then this Z9 field here. It won't say exactly the same on yours, but it will be very similar, and it'll say something like VM6, and you delete everything beyond there. Save that, and now I can delete this second exception because it's not needed, and close. So I'm going to now pause the video I'm just doing, do another update, and you'll see that Manx Payroll will install and not have Avast get in its way. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so now I've just done another update of Manx Payroll. So if I run Manx Payroll, as we're used to, it'll look at my server and run the update. Here we are. And try again. And it's as simple as that. All future updates will not get in the way, or be stopped at least, by Avast. I hope this helps, and please follow it in order to get your system operational. Thank you very much. Goodbye.